y'all gonna stop yelling at me like I
If you don't shut up, I'll just put you in handcuffs.
Shut up, you yelling at me, bro.
I'm not yelling. You didn't get in that truck.
I want a police report about
You
this.
didn't get in that truck.
Because he's harassing me.
No, you're harassing everybody.
Can I have a police report? Ma, look how he's looking at me, Ma. Why are you pulling my arms behind my back, bro? My arms are behind my back. So y'all trying to make it look good. That's why he got me in the back of the middle of nowhere for you to search me.
What's going on, everyone, and welcome to the video. On today's episode of delinzreacts, we have a driver that crashes out at a gas station attempting to deliver beer. And I'm not going to say any more. Just wait to see what happens. And this video was brought to you by Midwest Safety, so shout out to them.
And they went to trespass from the property. They don't want you to leave, so let up to stuff.
Sir, I just told him I'm leaving. The person that's doing this, he's right here in this truck. He called y'all for no reason.
All right.
That's all I'm saying.
You're saying you're leaving, but I'm not saying you loading up the beer.
Sir, you're not going to sit up here coming talking to me like that when I just told you Pepin is pulling up. The dude right here. So y'all gonna stop yelling at me like I
If you don't shut up, I'll just put you in handcuffs.
No, you're gonna shut up. You yelling at me, bro.
I'm not yelling.
You are just yelled at me for no reason when I just said Pepin is pulled up.
So either you
calm down. Did I just yell at him, John?
Let's diffuse.
Did I just yell at him, John?
Okay, let's diffuse.
Come on, bro, but you gonna put me in handcuffs because I'm upset? Y'all didn't even ask me what the fuck happened. Okay. This dude just ran up in my face.
Yanni,
let's
trespass. It's private property.
So you can do what you want to do?
Yeah.
So I can run up on anybody's face because I own property?
Man, we're not going to get into that.
Man, whatever, bro. Y'all take this fucking go, bro. This is some bullshit.
We're going to, Yanni, let's go back in the truck.
No, bro.
Now she's upset because she's getting trespassed from the property for blocking pumps. It is a gas station, so you probably don't want to block pumps. And then she has the nerve to get upset with the police officers. Here we go.
There you go.
Yanni.
That's your last warning. Load it up and go.
Warning for what?
You're trespassing. You're trespassing.
Man, that's bullshit, bro.
Sit in the truck.
Y'all always take a top side, bro. That's bullshit. This man is right on my face. You see how big that man is? But they're supposed to be here for protection. That's why I don't with cops.
Ready?
That's bullshit, bro.
Keep moving. They get her moving.
When I'm here for delivery.
We'll get it back.
Come on, bro.
Need to hurry up. But if
Keep saying, bro.
I know. So who called the cops? You or
what's that?
who called you guys?
The manager and stuff.
Y'all need you hurry up. That's like,
Yanni, he's going to take you back to the warehouse. I'm going to take the truck back.
So basically, he sent someone to come get her because she is acting a fool, and he don't want no part of it. He's just trying to load up the truck and get off the property. Yet she's just being confrontational for no reason at all.
He's sitting up here and typing shit. Are you gonna arrest him? No. He's sitting there smiling and shit. You don't know, bro. You just don't know, bro. Don't forget I gotta clock out. I get a sergeant here.
Sergeant's right there.
I want a sergeant. I want a different sergeant. I'm not.
She asked for a sergeant, and then he's like, he's right here, and then I want a different one. Man, get out of here. You don't need that one.
I'm talking to neither one of y'all.
Then you didn't get in that truck.
I want a police report about
You didn't get in that truck.
because he's harassing me.
No, you're harassing everybody.
Can I have a police report?
We'll give you
Ma, look how he's looking at me, Mom.
Yes, taser. Taser. Come on, taser.
No, let me go, bro. No, look at this, bro.
Put your hands behind your butt.
You
Taser.
watching this, right? You watching this, right? You see how you
You're resisting.
I'm not resisting when you have my arms behind my back.
back.
That's not her resisting.
She's not resisting, yet she's resisting.
Bro. Why are you pulling my arms behind my back, bro? My arms are behind my back.
You are resisting.
I'm not resisting when my arms are behind my back. Can you call my mom?
Still resisting.
I'm not. I'm telling him to call my mom.
We'll take care of that. We'll come over.
Why are you being rough with me, bro? John, I need badge numbers. John, take pictures of this shit, bro.
So she talking all this smack. Now she want a mama. Ugh. What is wrong with this chick?
Take pictures of this, bro. That's bullshit. There's nothing in that pocket but paper. So you weren't supposed to pat me down just then. A female supposed to do that. A female supposed to pat me down.
I told to leave over and over again. All you do is run your mouth.
He just pulled my headphone out.
Yeah, get in the
He
car.
just pulled my headphone out, man. Come on, bro.
You ever been arrested before?
No. Can you fix that? It's like pulling on my skin.
Yeah.
I'm surprised she hasn't been arrested before. I mean, I don't understand why couldn't she just leave? See, sometimes people just cause their own problems and then think it's the system or somebody trying to hold them down. But many times people are the author of their own confusion and their own problems.
What's her first name?
Yanni.
You ever had issues like this before with her?
No, not like this.
What's her date of birth?
No, not like this. Meaning he's had other ones.
I can call HR to find that out,
What
but
about middle initial?
I don't know that.
Let's see if I can get it off of this.
Yeah.
All it is a trespass warning. You need to leave. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to deal with it.
Can I talk to her?
John, call my mom, John.
She's being too belligerent.
John, call my mom.
Can I
John,
please get at least the information
John, call my mom.
for her mom?
No, she hasn't done anything for me to be right. So I'm done. Go back over there. I don't like people standing behind me.
Yanni, what's your mom's phone number?
John, get my phone from him.
What is your mom's phone number?
I got-
813. You're a jackass, bro. My phone ain't supposed to be in here.
I just love how you know how everything's supposed to
He
work.
just asked me.
Right. I'm like, is she a lawyer or a driver? She's telling the police how things are supposed to work, telling them to give a police report, want to call, this, that, and the other. How about get to the station?
He said, do you want your phone or do you want me to give it to them? I said, give it to them. And you want to have me sit in the audience?
Is there somebody with my ears in there? That's okay. You're not there.
Oh my God. I swear to God, I'm going to sue the fuck out of y'all, bro.
Oh, now she gonna sue.
Get ready for this.
Relocating over to Fifth Third Bay.
Straight bullshit. When I told you to get to my phone.
You don't tell me to do anything.
Then why
Oh, that's
ask?
right.
Why did you ask me then?
My
'Cause it's my
sergeant
right.
asked you.
That's my right.
Okay.
And you should have put it where I asked you to.
Okay.
But you want to arrest me so bad. That's what you wanted to do.
Okay.
Okay. You jackass. I hate you, you cops, bro. I hate y'all. Patted me down. I'm supposed to be a woman that patted me down.
Okay.
Okay. And you know that. That's why it's okay, jackass.
Okay.
Hello? All right, bye.
Oh, now a female's coming. Well, a female should have been there in the first place.
Okay.
Hey, I just got a search.
You said you have to do what?
Search you?
He already did.
Okay,
That's why he's trying to call you now, Mama. I just told him a woman's supposed to search me. He just searched me.
Okay, I'm gonna search you again. Okay, do you have anything on
So
you?
you want to search me again, and he just searched me. So y'all trying to make
That's
it
what
look
she said.
good. That's why he got me in the back of the middle of nowhere for you to search me.
It's on camera.
So I'm letting the camera know he just searched me, and now he just called a random woman. Well, I'm not gonna say random.
Get your ass out the car. I mean, this is ridiculous. Cops got the patience of Job. Like, for real. She should have been snatched out the damn car at this point.
Female cop. They come search me.
Men are allowed
Can you
to
show
search
him what?
females.
Can you show them where we at?
Yeah, men are allowed to search females.
Since when?
Duh.
Since always.
So why am I being searched again?
I'm gonna search you again. Okay, can you step out of the car for me, please?
Get your ass out
This
the
is
car.
y'all some backwards ass cops, bro. Why am I being searched
Okay,
again?
turn around.
I don't have nothing on me. I'm at work.
Perfect. I hope you don't, but I'm gonna double check.
This is crazy as bro. There's nothing on me.
Okay, I'm gonna please.
So this is very uncomfortable, bro.
Yeah.
So, not
But I'm being searched for no reason. This is crazy.
I'm sure he already explained to you, but if you have anything on you and you go into jail, it's a felony. Okay.
He ain't explain none of that to me because he's an asshole cop.
Okay.
He ain't explain nothing to me. This is real crazy, bro.
So if you do
You
have
real
anything
crazy.
on you
How about that?
that I don't find, let me know, because if you go into jail with something on you, it's
I don't have nothing.
I know, I don't think you do, but I would just
I
want to explain
don't have shit on me.
Okay, I just want you to know, that's all. Just to prevent you from getting into anything further than whatever's going on, okay? You can have a seat.
Can I ask you a question?
What's up?
Because I can't talk to him. Every time I try to ask him a question, he shuts the fucking door in my face.
Okay, what's up?
When he asked me to give my property to someone, which is my cell phone that's ringing right here, I said, can you give it to the people at my job? They were there.
Mm-hmm.
He slammed the door in my face and my phone's right here.
Okay.
So
Good.
what the how's he able to do shit like this?
Easy.
It's just gonna go in your property at the jail.
I don't. That's if you were gonna ask me where I want my property when I had my you know, I'm just upset right now.
I got you.
My coworkers there. Why couldn't you give them my phone? My book bag is in the truck, all that. So why couldn't you give them my phone?
You might as well call him your ex-coworker because you're about to get fired if you haven't been fired already. Because who wants to employ a person like this?
So why ask and shut the door in my face? But it's okay for him to do that?
To shut
Yes.
the door?
No, so come on now. You get what I'm trying. You get what I'm saying.
I mean,
that's
yeah,
your coworker. You try to
with you,
huh?
Your property usually goes with you.
If I told them to give it to someone else, I say I can get. All I need is 2 phone numbers.
They may have changed their mind, something like that.
So that's okay to be a jackass.
Yes.
It's probably better that you have it with you.
No, I don't want it because I don't want it in there with me. No, I just need 2 phone numbers and I was good.
It's with you now, so it's going to stay with you now. But it gets
how, and I can't answer my phone.
I mean, it doesn't stay on your person, but it stays in property.
So I can't have a phone call right now.
Not right now.
No, go to jail.
There, you can.
So my family don't even know what's going on. That's why they're trying to call me.
Okay.
They don't know where y'all taking me.
Okay.
So nobody can answer the phone, and I tell them where I'm going.
When you go to jail and you get booked in, they'll let you get numbers out of your phone, and then you can make a phone call.
This is f***ed up, bro. The way y'all make this shit sound so simple is fucking not, bro. Especially dealing with assholes like him.
It's pretty simple. I mean, you're
like, come on, man.
It's actually very simple. It's just complicated for bird brains like you.
And you're more talking to me and calm and understanding than his ass is. You don't understand that, bro. Because you don't know what happened.
I don't.
I just had a dude his size come running up in my face.
If I'm matching,
but since he called the cops, I'm arrested though. Come on now.
Right, have a seat.
Like, come on,
we can't change any of that right now. So
it ain't nothing to change. It's just a point.
Put your feet in.
Ain't no point. The point is you're going to jail.
Y'all some fucked up ass people, bro.
I mean, they didn't want you on the property, from what I heard. So that's how we got here.
That's all you heard, right?
Yeah, that's all I know right now.
That's not the story.
But just because you're going, it doesn't mean you're guilty.
Huh?
It doesn't mean you're guilty just because you're going.
So how does that work? This is my first time going through some shit like this.
You'll go.
It probably won't be your last.
Like I said, I'm just here to search you. You'll have first appearance maybe today. I'm not going to tell you for sure because I don't know. Generally, it's by Zoom, like FaceTime, something like that. Whatever the charge is, they may say, yeah, you can bond out. No, you got to hold bond. I don't know what your history is. I don't know what the charge is. Felony, misdemeanor, anything like that. See the judge. See what they say. It's up to them from there.
So I'm sitting in a jail cell right now.
Yeah. So you're gonna go.
Yes,
they're gonna search you again. You're gonna go through medical. They're gonna ask you a bunch of questions. They'll have you sit down in a row for a little bit, and then get you booked in. Go hang out like a community pod area until you get your first appearance time. It's early right now, so I'm assuming that you'll be able to see them today. I just don't want to guarantee you because I don't know what the schedule is like today.
So it won't be like till Monday.
No, they have them on Saturdays too. It honestly just kind of depends on what the charge is and that kind of stuff. He drops you off,
and
then
it's
you're
end of the week too.
Okay.
Let us stay in jail the whole weekend.
You're resisting. But I'm 4 feet tall.
And she's still talking.
Giuliani
the whole
was charged
time,
with resisting an officer without violence and trespassing. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
That was so exhausting. So all the lady had to do is leave. But no, she wanted to stay around and go back and forth with the cop, and going back and forth with cops will get you arrested. You are not in a position of power. It is not your property, so you need to leave. It's as simple as that. What do you guys think? Do you think that the cops overreacted, or do you think she should have been arrested? I have so many questions, but just let me know down in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you have not already, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every single time that I drop a new video. Also, remember, every Wednesday night at 8:30 Eastern, I will be going live and doing a live reaction of several videos, usually from social media, and I will have a guest reacting with me. So you don't want to miss. Again, that's every Wednesday night at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.